Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic 3-point estimation. Friend, if you are a student and studying project management in a university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic and this topic 3-point estimation is very important with respect to exam point of view. At least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in the exam in which your concept related to 3-point estimation will be judged. Secondly, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a professional project manager, so you must have to know that the what is 3-point estimation, how to use this concept when you are estimating the projects and activities. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. 3-point estimation. First of all, friend, see, this is a topic which we have taken from the PMBOK Project Management Body of Knowledge, and this is a very important topic. And first of all, this is a topic which is directly related to project management. So first, we have to understand that what is the definition of a project. Friend, definition of project is, as per the PMBOK project, is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output, product, service, or result. So this is the definition of project. For example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so it's a project. If you are implementing mobile application, so it's a project. If you are building a flyover, so it's a project. So two ingredients are very important in every project. One is temporary and second is unique. So every project is unique, every project is temporary. Temporary means that it will finish after some time, and unique means that every project is we are implementing it on the first time. So these two ingredients are very important. Now friend, see, whenever we have to implement a project, so uh, two things are very important. One is how much time is required to complete a project, and second is how much cost is required to accomplish a project. So cost and the time, these are the two factors for which we need the estimation. Estimation means that idea that how much things, how much cost will be required, how much time is required to complete the project. Friend, estimation is a very important thing in project management. As a project manager, you must have to be able to estimate. Estimate means that, for example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so you must have to know the basis that how much time is required to implement e-commerce solution. If you are implementing a new business process in an organization, so you must have to know that how much time is required, how much cost is required to accomplish this project. So as a project manager, your estimation techniques, your estimation approach should be very good. Now friend, what are the basis that how will you estimate? On what basis you will estimate that how much time is required and how much cost is required? What will be your basis, friend? Like if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so you can compare that in previous, if we have done like that project, you can discuss with your technical lead that how much time is required. So out of that estimation technique, one technique called is 3-point estimation. The purpose of estimation or 3-point estimation means that we can estimate that how much time or cost is required to complete a project. Whenever this is a planning technique, whenever we are initiating any project, we must have to know this about this technique, and this technique is based on three major points. What are those points? One is optimistic, second is pessimistic, and the third one is most likely. So the 3-point estimation is based on these three things: optimistic approach, pessimistic approach, and most likely estimate. So one by one we can see what is the meaning of optimistic. Friends, see, if you are take the same example of e-commerce solution. If you are implementing e-commerce solution and you are sitting with your your technical lead, and you ask from him that how much time is required to complete that project. So your technical lead, domain experts, they are saying that at least 4 months are required uh, to accomplish a project. because they are saying that there may be some issues or some problem. If everything goes well, so within 3 months the project will finish. If the worst case scenario, then the project will finish in 5 months. And the most likely, if not, like not the ideal case, not the bad scenario, so we will complete it within 4 months. So the optimistic approach means that if all happy scenario, like all thing goes well, there is no problem, there is no issues, so we can complete it in 3 months. So this is the optimistic approach. Pessimistic approach is that, like the worst case scenario, like something happened bad, some problem is there, resources are not there, so we will complete in 5 months. And the most likely, most likely means the mean of optimistic and pessimistic, so on average we can say that within 4 months we can complete. So optimistic means that happy scenario, there is no problem. Pessimistic means problem, worst case scenario, and the most likely means the mean of optimistic and pessimistic. So these three estimates you can take, and based on that you can use formula to calculate the estimation. One formula is called as triangular distribution. That means estimation E is equal to A plus M plus B divided by 3. E is estimation, okay. A is optimistic value, M is the most likely value, and B is the pessimistic value. Here friend, remember one thing, that divide by 3. So this is called as triangular distribution here. Triangular distribution, basically see what we are saying, that we are taking the average here, like A plus M plus B divided by 3. So A is the optimistic, M is the most likely, and B is the pessimistic value. So we add all these three values and divide by 3. So we will get the triangular distribution here. That means we can get the E is the estimated value, okay. Then the next one is the beta distribution. This is another example of the 3-point estimation. Here see, E is equal to A plus 4M plus B divided by 6. Here A is the optimistic value, M is the most likely value, plus B is the pessimistic value, divided by 6. So we can get the value of the estimation here. So friend, take the same example here. If you are sitting with your technical leads and experts, just ask that how much estimate is there in case of happy case scenario, optimistic value. Then what is the value of pessimistic, like if worst case scenario, and what is the value of most likely. Then you can use the beta distribution, or you can use the triangular distribution, so that you can calculate the estimates for your project. So this is called as the concept of 3-point estimation. Friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.